Jack Nana TV back here with another video. And today is the third day of the beach thing. And we're going out to eat. Got my new outfit on. And I took some pictures. They'll be on the screen right now. And yeah, Abby, say hi to the vlog.
Hey, Jack Rabbit fan.
Daddy? That's my daughter. That's my dad.
Hey, guys.
I got on my new shirt. Again, you saw in the pictures, but yeah. We'll see you when you get into the restaurant or something. Or when something happens. Also, we're going shopping in the shop and I'm gonna get some fire new drip, but yeah. Hey, Daddy, say hi to my YouTube video.
Hi, YouTube video.
Alrighty, guys, we are about to leave the house and we're finna go to the restaurant. Hey, Dad.
Negative Ghost Rider, the pattern is full.
Abby, how you doing? Rate yourself 1 out of 10. And here we go, we're stepping outside into Clearwater.
I'm doing great.
I haven't been out here since.
Rev Tilt.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Look, Kevin. And guys, look how quick it would be to mow the front lawn if we lived here.
Oh, I know. It takes about 5 seconds.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful out here, but yeah. Oh, nice plant holder. Here we are.
Have a wheelchair pass.
Frenchy Saltwater Cafe. But yeah, we're here. Look at Mr. Turtle. Mr. Turtle. Alrighty, guys, so while we were at the gift shop, I got this Florida t-shirt, and now I'm probably gonna go back in the pool, and yeah.